Hello and welcome back. For this video I got this bottle for $1 at Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it that color red. I painted it but I didn't like just to paint it and then it was plain. After painting it, I didn't like it. It was looking so plain, and I decided to put the flower, and it was plain. It's still good, but I decided to do this. I took a rope, hot glue it, and wrap it around it. I think it will be best if you see what I'm doing than to listen to what I'm saying, because I don't know how to explain what to do here. This was my best one so far. I found it was still plain, so I decided to do another one in the middle. And then I'm cutting the loose rope that are all over. Then I'm putting back my green leafy flower. I really love this one. How do you like it? Do you like it just red or with this one? Let me know down below. For this next project, I wanted to make a candle holder, but the glass was also plain, so I decided to unwind the rope over it, on the glass till halfway. I will take it round and then push it down. Take it round and then push it down. That way it was easy that way than to just put it round just after that. But doing it round, I wanted it halfway. and then I glue the top. And then I don't know when to stop. I thought this one was not good enough, so I decided to paint the lower part. I was just putting the tape to separate the top and the lower part so that I can paint it. And then let it dry. When it's dry, you will remove the tape. And then put the candle inside. And then light your candle. The candle was smelling so nice. And then you're ready. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. I need your comments, please. Let me know the one you like. Which one do you like? Thank you and bye.